Hello and welcome to HW News. The Rafale deal controversy that became Congress's major poll plank in 2019 Lok Sabha elections subsided over the period of time, with the Supreme Court giving a clean chit to Modi government over the new deal that they made with the French government, scrapping the old deal of UPA era. But the controversies surrounding Rafale don't end. Recently, India received the first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets from France. These were inducted in Indian Air Force earlier this month. While the BJP government has been proudly flaunting the Rafale deal as one of its achievements, a new CAG report tabled in the parliament has given way for a fresh controversy surrounding the deal. We will get into the details, but if you want to understand the Rafale deal in detail, I am also sharing some of the links of videos below. Please check it out. So the Comptroller and Auditor General of India reports were tabled in the parliament yesterday. In the reports, the CAG has flagged that the French counterpart in the Rafale deal, Dassault Aviation, has not fulfilled its promise of technology transfer as a part of the deal. It has said that the foreign vendors often make commitments as an offset partner to get a contract, but they often drag their feet on fulfilling those commitments. As I said, India has made an intergovernment agreement to buy 36 Rafale jets in a flyaway condition, of which the first batch of 5 jets have already arrived. The CAG said that in the offset contract relating to 36 medium multi-role combat aircraft, the vendors, Messrs Dassault Aviation and Messrs MBDA, initially proposed, that is on September 2015, to discharge 30% of their offset obligation by offering high technology to DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. The CAG report further says that DRDO wanted to obtain technical assistance for the indigenous development of engine called as Kaveri for the light combat aircraft. Till date, the vendor has not confirmed the transfer of this very technology. In its statement, the CAG further said that from 2005 till March 2018, 46 offset contracts were signed with foreign vendors totaling to rupees 66,427 crores. Under these contracts, by December 2018, rupees 19,223 crore worth of offsets should have been discharged by the vendors. However, the offsets claimed to have been discharged by them was only rupees 11,396 crore, which was only 59% of the commitment. Further, only 40%, that is rupees 5,457 crore of these offset claims submitted by the vendors were accepted by the ministry. Now the question is, what exactly is offset agreement? The offset policy was adopted by India in the year 2005 for all the capital defense purchases above rupees 300 crores made through imports. The foreign vendor or original equipment manufacturer was required to invest at least 30% of the value of the entire purchase or entire contract in India's defense or aerospace sectors. In case of the deal, that is Rafale deal, total 59,000 crore of deal offset agreement constitute at least 50% of the total contract value. Now there can be various ways through which the offset commitment can be fulfilled. First is foreign direct investment. You can invest in Indian company. Second is technology transfer. The high-end technology is transferred to Indian counterpart, and the third one being the purchase of eligible products manufactured by Indian firms. But the vendors need to select an Indian company to get into an agreement with. On 10th of April 2015, Prime Minister Modi along with the then France President Hollande had announced a new deal of procuring 36 Rafale jets in a flyaway condition, scrapping the old deal of UPA era of buying 126 jets. According to the new deal, Anil Ambani's Reliance Defense was made a key offset partner. The offset agreement was to be discharged by the 4 French partners. First is Dassault Aviation, MBDA, Safran and Thales. For the delivery of the offsets, Dassault Aviation and Reliance have already formed a joint venture company, that is Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited, in which Reliance Aerostructure owns 51% stakes and 49% of the stake belongs to Dassault Aviation. The company has already started an industrial plant in Nagpur for the discharge of offset. Dassault has so far invested 40 crore rupees in it, which is expected to go up to 400 crores in the coming years. Now, the CAG said that 90% of the investment by the vendors, that is Dassault, was in form of direct purchase of goods and services from the Indian industry, whereas as per the contract, FDI was only supposed to be 3.5%. Now, what was the offset agreement in the Rafale deal? In April 2016, the DRDO identified 6 new technologies to be obtained from the firms under the offset obligation, that is the 4 French firms. But the vendors did not agree on the transfer of 5 technologies, as most of them were not within the vendors' core competence. Now, the 6th proposal of DRDO was to obtain a technical assistance for the indigenous development of an engine, Kaveri, for the light combat aircraft, which also has not been confirmed so far. The Congress has been alleging that the technology transfer was key to the deal envisaged by the UPA. It would have helped HAL, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, which was supposed to be the India partner as per the earlier deal. According to an article which was published in The Wire last year, if this factor is considered, then the NDA deal for 36 Rafale jets in flyaway condition becomes much more costlier than the UPA era deal. However, a CAG report had contradicted it and said that the NDA era deal is cheaper given the India-specific enhancement that have been given in these 36 Rafale jets, the new deal. Now, in the latest report, CAG also said that it did not find a single case where the foreign vendors had transferred a high technology to the Indian industry. It also said that the defense sector is ranked 62nd out of the 63 sectors in India in terms of FDI, and there was hardly any equipment supplied in kind to the Indian industry by the foreign vendors. Thus, the objective of the offset policy remains largely unachieved even after more than a decade of its adoption. The CAG also stated that the Defense Ministry needs to review the policy and its implementation. Now, this raises major questions over the deal once again. Congress has launched another attack on the Modi government over the CAG audit. Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala has said that chronology of the biggest defense deal continues to unfold. The new CAG report admits that technology transfer shelved in the Rafale offsets. First, Make in India became Make in France, and now DRDO dumped for tech transfer. Now, the Congress had earlier also alleged that in the new Rafale deal, the Modi government preferred crony capitalist friend of PM Modi, Anil Ambani, over the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. The recent CAG report revelation take us back to square one from where the entire argument about the Rafale deal started. Was this deal better than the UPA era deal? If yes, then why technology transfer as agreed by the offset partners hasn't taken place in accordance with the contract? What is the Ministry of Defence doing about it? We will also have to see what will the Modi government's explanation to this revelation by CAG will be. Until then, stay tuned to HW News. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.